Today in math, we are going to focus on a small little word problem. I'm going to show you one and then you're going to do one on your own. Okay, so let me read it to you. There was a survey of the math class about their favorite candy, but I lost the graph. Use what I remember from the survey to recreate the graph. Okay, so here's what they remember. There were 4 choices to choose from. 7 students chose chocolate bars. There were 4 fewer students that chose gummy bears than chocolate bars. 2 more students chose Twix than gummy bears. And the same number of students chose peanut butter and Twix cups. So I have to start and figure out, well, what do I know for sure? And the first thing that I know for sure is that there was 4 choices, right? Well, I have 4 choices down here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm also noticing that there's not a title for this. So I'm going to call it Favorite Candy. Since I know that there was 4 bars, I can move on to the next part. 7 students chose chocolate bars. Well, this gives me an exact number of how many students chose that. So I'm going to go to 7, which is right here. And I'm going to make my graph go out until 7. I like to draw my line so I know where I'm drawing to. Feel free to do the same. I'm going to draw it. Okay. Done with this one, and I'm done with that one. There were 4 fewer students that chose gummy bears than chocolate bars. Well, I already know how many chocolate bars there were. There was 7. If 4 fewer students chose gummy bears instead, all I'm going to have to do is take away 4. When I take away 4, my answer is 3. So now I know that there was 3 friends that chose gummy bears. Again, I'm going to draw my line and I'm going to color up to that. Okay, done with this one. 2 more students chose Twix than gummy bears. So I know how many gummy bears I have, which is 3, right? But I have 2 more students that chose Twix. So I'm going to add 2. When I add 2, I get 5. So now for Twix, I have 5. I draw my line. I'm going to draw to that point. I'm done with that one. The same number of students chose peanut butter cups as Twix. So this is telling me, well, it's the same. So if it's the same, I'm going to find Twix, which was 5. And if they chose the same, that means that peanut butter is also 5. Draw my line to make it the same and move that way. It's your turn now. You are going to figure out a riddle. It looks very much like this, and you are going to solve a riddle on your own. Happy math!